In this video, I will show you how to use calendar option on Google Classroom. First of all, you need to log in your students' Google Classroom. Then you will see all classes your kids joined. And then at the left top corner, you will see two options, To Do and Calendar. Now, I will click on this calendar and then I will be directed on this page. And as you see, all works assigned will be visible and will be ordered by dates. So all the works ordered according to their due date. So that means this assignment right over here, for example, Earth's rotations due date is February 3rd, Wednesday. And if you want to go previous or next week, you can change from here. If you're going to click on this, you will see next week assignments. If you're going to click on this one, you will see previous week, and you can go like this for 2 or 3 weeks later. Then, if you want to turn back on today's date, there is a shortcut option, and this one right over here, which is at right top corner, you will see this one, which is today. If I'm going to click on this, I will be landed on today's date right over here. And as default, it will display all classes work. And if you are going to click on this, you can switch between classes. But as default, as you see, all works will be visible here. Now, let's click one of the classwork. For example, this one over here, Earth's rotation. If I'm going to click on it, then I will see this classwork, and right here you will see kind of definition or explanation about today's classwork. Then you can see here comments, and they can be visible for everybody who are connected or who are joined that class. Then you can make some comment which is going to be visible everyone from joined that class. And then if you want to send private message to your teacher, if you need help or if you want to ask something, you can type here, then you can send it to your teacher. Then right here, you will see your work. And if you are going to click on this, then your classwork or project will be open and you can make some changes. Then it will be saved at the end. Then you can click on turn in, then your work will be submitted or turned in. And if you want to also add more, you can click add or create, and you can add Google Docs, slides, Google Sheet or drawing, or you can add some file from your Google Drive. So that is the kind of basic explanation how we can use Google Calendar or why we are using Google Calendar. And that's it. Have a good day.